Okay, today we're gonna look at a new upgrade, and if you see, when you put gas in these old classic cars, there is no stop for the gas to come back. So when you put gas, you have to be careful and slowly pour it in on an angle so that way the gas doesn't come splash all over the place. So I found this this company, or this gentleman who creates a product that solves that issue, and I'm sure you've seen it on certain videos for Mustang, but we're gonna do this for a Camaro. So here's the part. As you can see, Camaro complete neck with the fuel insert already installed. So as you can see, you see the difference. There's a little flap in there now, and it has been pinched somehow all around, and there's little dabs of welding right there. You see 1, 2, 3, and that's supposed to replace that right there. So see the difference, and we're getting ready to start the upgrade. As you can see, there's 4 bolts here to remove that. I removed my license plate, 2 screws here, and as you can see, I have fuel tank wiring harness. You probably won't have that. There's 2 screws over here, and so you can tell right there. I'm gonna release those. Okay. Perfect. Those are the 2 screws loosened up behind the license plate. First thing we need to do, 4 bolts. Hopefully that should release it. There we go. Okay. Okay. So there is a screw right here you can get to behind. You hold this and you spin it. So here we go. We're gonna pull it little by little. There we go. Let me show you what's left. So on my car, there's like a plastic sleeve that goes all the way down to the other side, right? This is plastic, this is metal. As you can see, this goes to the tank right here, and there's a rubber hose that has clamps in there that we removed down here. This clamp right here just hanging there. It's time to install the new one, and you can't. Oh well, now we found the problem. Okay, so we found the problem. We have to undo everything. So if you notice right here, this hole has been modified. This is not. Okay. Can we press this right here? Perfect. Look at that. All right. We can now attempt to put it back on again. And hopefully this time it should be much smoother. Smooth installation. Perfect. Went right in. All right, so let's finish it all up. Okay, close that up. And now we have a plate here, and we have the screws that go along. So there's another one in the back. See if we can get them all by hand first. All right.
Okay, that's done. The last one, which is the cat in the corner. Again, from the center.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, those are the two screws you gotta tighten that connects to the hose right there. The rubber hose to the gas tank. All right. Last step would be to put a license plate, and then we're gonna test it. Okay, here we go. Test. One-handed. Let's see if it spits back. That's it. No spit back. Look at that. So it worked.